availing the best total hardware product development solution for your hardware products based on Shenzhen, China, and have operations channels globally. We are specialists. Engineering innovation. mivsolutions, a name to reckon with. A niche global IDH company in the engineering R&D and OEM, ODM, OBM, EMS manufacturing space, we were born out of the consolidation of the superior strengths of the engineering and manufacturing giant IRL Tech Industrial Group Co., Limited. Specialists. Engineering, designing and manufacturing innovation. Over the years, we have earned our stripes. Today, our clients include a large number of Fortune 500 companies globally. As specialists, engineering innovation, we are all set to write the future of global engineering, R&D and manufacturing. We have our own designing center, engineering center, mold factory, MT factory, assembly lines, which makes us give you a total ODM, OEM and EMS manufacturing solution. Service offerings. Our business focus is on offering innovative design, development and manufacturing solutions across the product development value chain, for various industries such as industrial products, education devices, transportation, aerospace, telecom and high-tech, and the process industry. We also offer services in the areas of mechanical engineering, embedded systems, engineering process services, and product lifecycle management, besides proprietary solutions in engineering data analytics, and the mobile devices, smart devices, IoT devices related. Alliances with leading technology providers, advanced EMS, ODM manufacturing service, flexible engagement models, end-to-end solutions, global resource base, knowledge, IP assets, range of well-equipped labs, total quality management system, information security management system, cost effectiveness beyond labor arbitrage. To keep up with domestic and international famous brands, mivsolutions has passed the International Quality Standard ISO 9001-2008, the International Environmental Management Standard ISO 14001-2004, and the Quality Management ISO TS 16949, especially required by automotive products and services, and been preparing for the Medical Equipment Quality Management Standard ISO 13485 and Social Responsibility Standard SA 8000. For more standard communication with domestic and international customers, mivsolutions has invested and implemented ERP system SAP and Manufacturing Executive System MES, which won a praise from customers, reinforced the cooperation and mutual trust, and constructed a solid foundation for consequent long-term strategic cooperation.